Good evening, my fellow congregate. Good evening to you, the good man, our able Prime Minister. This evening, I just want to make a very brief, video before I go to work. Information is power, and those that have been informed, if you fail to perform, then you have yourself to be blamed. The reason why we give you information is for you to avoid being harmed by this terrorist group of people. So, my beloved people, all our senators, our House of Rep, our governors, our AZs, some of them have sold us out. To those who want to Islamize us, to the enemies of the land. But one thing we can assure them is that this is the land, the portion the Creator Chukwu Kikabiyama gave to our forefather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And we must hand over it to our children in good faith, without the presence of Fulani and Yoruba and Britain in it. And that is the new face of Biafra. We go nowhere. Tomorrow is Monday. Let me tell you that you are not doing anybody favor to sit at home for Nnamdi Kanu release. You are not doing anybody favor to sit at home for Nnamdi Kanu release. Do you know what? You are doing yourself a great favor to sit at home. One of the things I want you to know is that you are not happy. You sitting at home show the sign that you are not happy for where Nnamdi Kanu is now. That is one. Two, sitting at home for Nnamdi Kanu, you are also giving us a sign that you are not in support of Nigeria intimidation, Nigeria evil. Sitting at home for Nnamdi Kanu also mean that you that obey to sit at home, you are tired of your oppressor. Sitting at home for Nnamdi Kanu simply mean that you want him to be free. And you want to also be free. Sitting at home for Nnamdi Kanu equally mean that you want a better future for your children. You want a better life for yourself. Because that was the reason I look at all these idiotic people, see even lawyers. The one I was even thinking that is a good person. All of them coming. I met Nnamdi Kanu. He said, you can't sit at home. He is fighting for the good of these people. But Nnamdi Kanu told them before that you must sit at home. If you don't want to sit at home, we will force you to sit at home. He told them that before. When he was declaring the Heroes Day. But look at these idiotic people coming. Did Nnamdi also tell you that he's comfortable in that DSS dungeon? No, you are very much after ending sit at home. You are not interested releasing him. Bring the video. Okay, also bring a letter. Bring a letter. Since you people are good in writing a letter, bring a letter also. Write it again. Say, Nnamdi say we should, Biafrans, don't worry about me. I am very, very comfortable where I am now. Stop sit at home. Idiot. Do you think that we are here to joke? The worst part is that You people did not even know what is coming. You declare 7-day war according to Hope Uzolimpa. He's beginning to issue notice to people to run away from their village. Say he's going to bomb the whole area. And the army was in the other hand say that he's going to be cracking, 4 days cracking. 4 days, you came the first day, you collect. You came the first day, you collect. You ran away. After some days, you came with your fighter jet, you collect. You ran away. Yesterday, you came with fighter jet, you collect. You ran away. Today, you refuse to come. Is that how you then taught you how to fight? Since you choose this place to be your Niger, that you sign weapon to go and fight, you kukuma bring the weapon, come and waste here now, and die. Do you think we are afraid of you? When we say we are your end, we mean it. When the great prophet told you that Biafra land will swallow all of you, do you think he was joking? You say you cannot come on the foot. You say Obunigwe, they claim your life so many that fighter jets should be coming and bombing. Am I not be telling you that your bomb no they get any effect here? You only come here to waste everything and you go collect. We go nowhere. We go nowhere. What is bigger than you is coming upon you. You know, sometimes when we talk like this, you will not take it serious. You think that we are just joking. You think we are just playing. You think that who are we? You think it's a threat, but it's a promise. You see this Biafra liberation? Do you see this Biafra restoration? It is a must task that must be accomplished. Instead of Biafra not to come, every living thing in Nigeria will be destroyed. It is not a threat. It is a promise. So when we are talking, don't think it's a joke. You know, you started by saying, climb down on them, climb down on them, climb down on them. And you have been climbing. You never climb down on them. Rather, it is them that is climbing down on you. Tomorrow is another sit-at-home. Wonderful people of Biafra, do not forget. Tomorrow is Nnamdi Kanu holiday. Don't let anybody to deceive you. Nnamdi Kanu holiday continue every Monday. Why our great Prime Minister is planning another cracking sit-at-home again. I wish this time around should be 1 month, so that their economy will die more. Just look at 2 weeks sit-at-home. Have you not seen what dollars do to Nigeria? Only 2 weeks sit-at-home. Naira don't disvalue again against dollars. Have you not noticed? You don't know the idea that this sit-at-home is crippling Nigeria economy more and more. Just 2 weeks sit at home disvalue Naira, making dollars another increase. Talk less of when we go 1 month sit at home. Believe you me, Naira go die in pain. And our aim is to cripple Nigeria before we finally bury them. That is our aim. That is our target. Do you understand that? That is our aim and that is our target. So therefore, warm up for 1 month sit at home. Warm up. You must make that sacrifice. Let's destroy Nigeria together. We want to create this history together. That is the reason each time I come up, I will tell you, please share the information, because information is power. Share the information to your brother, to your sister, to your cousin, to your father, to your mother, to your friends. Follow me so that you can get live update from the battlefield. From the battlefield. We know they fear death. And we go nowhere. I've told them that we are the people they killed many years ago. We have back to restore what we died for. What made them kill us 30 million plus was because of Biafra. Not because we did any evil to them, but because of Biafra, they kill us. And now we are back to claim that thing will make them kill us. And we must make sure that that thing that we die for is restored. That thing we die for must be restored. No going back. And you cannot kill us again. This time around, it is your turn to die. When I'm talking, I will always remind you, 2023 is not 1967. Believe you me, 2023 is not 1967. And I told you earlier that the war you are starting, you can never finish it. It won't favor you. And I've gave you two options. Either you choose peace or you choose war. Whatever way you choose, we are ready. If you choose war, we will finish you. If you choose peace, we listen to the Kanu, fix the day for referendum, and you stop dying. That is it. And I've seen that your newspaper, 10 brown envelope journalists, you know, that are good in reporting nonsense. That is why I take it upon myself to always bring live updates from the battlefield so that you will not go and report nonsense. Because anything you give to them, they can even testify the goodness of the devil. Anyway, our great supreme leader have said that before. So we are still waiting for you. Please come and die. Come and die. Just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Sit at home. Look at Naira don't die. Twine. Talk less of when we are going to 1 month. Kariba took it. Even the Pentecostal people. Naira will die. Will never rise. Let me tell you this, in case you don't know. Let me tell you this. Moses went to Pharaoh. When Pharaoh was still great, the land of Egypt was still, prosper. And Moses told Pharaoh, Pharaoh, thus say the Lord, let my people go. Pharaoh could have taken the best advice and called Moses, say, okay, he said, God say you should carry these people, go. Go and pack your people, go get out from my country now. Do you know if Pharaoh could have done that, believe you me, my brother, no Pharaoh Egyptian could have, soldier could have died. No Egyptian could have died. If Pharaoh could have done that, do you know that Pharaoh economy could have still remained as in that time? If Pharaoh could have done that, their first son couldn't have lost or died. But Pharaoh asked question, who is God? And Moses said, God will answer that question by himself. And did God not answer? Did God not show Pharaoh who he is? Did God not show Pharaoh who he is? He showed them. Yeah, he showed him that He is the creator of heaven and earth. He is the beginning and he is their end. Pharaoh. And the battle line was drawn between Pharaoh and God. Nnamdi Kanu came, he said, "Feast the day of referendum. Let us go. Thus say the Lord, Chukwu Kikabiama, let my people go." That was the message. What do you people do? You ask question. Who is Chukwu Kikabiama? You ask question. Who is Chukwu Kikabiama? Some say na idolatry. Some say na what garbage nonsense you talk. But Chukwu, the creator of heaven and earth,